To find the distance of line segments, it's very easy when your lines are horizontal or when your lines are vertical. Because in those cases, all you have to do is count. You just count the number of boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that line segment is 4 units long. This one, you just count down. There's 5 units right there if you just count. Easy. Now, to figure out this line segment, the diagonal one, that becomes a bit trickier. Because we can't just count one box here, because those aren't necessarily full units. So let's call this x for now. We'll get back to it, solve for that. In order to solve for it, all you have to do is use the Pythagorean Theorem. And I know you're thinking, Pythagorean Theorem, that uses right triangles. We don't have a right triangle right now. Oh, great. Here, I'll make one for you. Just go horizontal like that. And you go vertical like that, and you have yourself a right triangle right there. And in order to find these distances of these sides, you can just count, same as what we did on the left. That's 6 units. This one is 8 units. Very, very simple. Now, in case you forgot, the Pythagorean Theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Simple. The real question, though, is what's our A, what's our B, what's our C? And hopefully you remember that this side x is the hypotenuse since it's across from the right angle over here. So the x is going to be in our C position. And the 6 and the 8, those will be the A and the B. Great. This is easy. We can totally solve this thing. All you have to do now is just start squaring these numbers. 6 squared is 36, plus 8 squared is 64. And again, that answer should give us x squared. So now we just add 36 and 64, and you get 100. So our x squared is equal to 100. Now to solve for x, you're just one step away. To get rid of that squared and the x squared, all you have to do is take a square root on both sides. And the length of x, or our line segment, is 10. So, quick reminder. If your lines are horizontal or if they're vertical, you can find the distance simply by counting the number of boxes. If your line is diagonal, to find its distance, all you have to do is set up a right triangle like this, and then use the Pythagorean Theorem to solve for your x.